Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Adrienne if you're new, and if you're not new, welcome back to another motherfucking hair video. Today we are being sponsored by Wiggins Hair, and I'm just showing y'all everything that came in the box. They sent us over an extra adjustable strap, a baggie to store your hair in, a edge brush, and a wig cap, and they also sent one of their branded edge bands along with some really wispy lashes. I don't know if y'all can see them in this clip, but they're really wispy. And here is the hair, y'all. This hair is so pretty. I've never had a texture like this before. I believe it's a yaki texture if I'm not mistaken, and all V parts do come with the hair attached at the top. So all you gotta do is take some scissors or something and just cut it off. But I've never had a texture like this, and it's so pretty, y'all. Oh my gosh, I get compliments on this hair all the time. Y'all have been blowing my DMs down. Y'all have been blowing my comments up every time I post in this wig. So here we are with the official hair video. As y'all can see, I am starting off looking like a rag doll. My hair is all over my head and it's a bit of a jump scare, but it's a hair video, girl. What do you expect? Okay. So now I'm going in with my heat protectant, and this is so that I don't fry my already fried hair. Please do not be scared when y'all see smoke in this video. My hair is already heat damaged. If you are afraid of heat, please feel free to use less because this texture is very forgiving. I actually believe I pressed my hair a little bit too soft for this texture because it is a bit on the, you know, curlier end. So I'm just going in and kind of blow drying and straightening those pieces that I will be leaving out. This is important because you want it to match all the way around your head. You know, just in case, I love to wear my hair in a claw clip in the back, and I don't want the back to look like a wig. You know how you can see the back of your head through a wig? I don't want that. So I leave out a little bit in the back whenever I'm doing styles like this. When I tell you I haven't taken this wig off since I got it, I haven't taken this wig off since I got it. It's actually kind of ridiculous, but I'm using the chasing method in order to do this so that I can get as close as possible to my edges. I couldn't find my mini flat iron, so I had to go in with my big one. And child, I done touched my scalp so many times in this video. I believe I cut them out, but it was very traumatic, honestly. Since the top of our hair is going to be left out, you want to make sure that you really get those roots. Again, you do not have to use as much heat as I do. I just really like the look of flat roots when it's a middle part. I don't like it to be like puffy at all on my hair. So especially when it's like with a wig, you know, I feel like puffy works with your normal natural hair, but it doesn't work with a wig. So yeah, I make sure I get those real good and real close. And I do this all in sections on purpose because again, I want as close to silk as possible. It's important to measure how long your V part is before you begin the process of your leave out. Honestly, I left out too much, so I had to go back in and kind of readjust it and put most of the hair into one of those little pigtails that y'all see going towards the back. So make sure you check to see how long your V part is before you just go ahead and leave your hair out and be looking a hot mess. Every time I do one of these V-parts, everybody always asks me how I get it to look so natural. Girl, the key is treating the V-part just like your hair. So right here, I'm about to go ahead and tie it up, and I'm about to start chasing it again with the flat iron in smaller pieces. Now, I could have gone in smaller pieces and this would have came out a lot straighter. I also could have went in with my blow dryer to get the waves out that y'all see, but again, I wanted to hold some of that texture so that it kind of gave silk press, like an old silk press throughout the week. And as you can see, I was very pleased indeed. So you want to take your time with this process. Make sure you get every piece of hair with that flat iron, because with this type of texture, it'll look like you miss spots, if that makes sense. Like, you know how you got a silk press and you miss the spot, so like part of the hair is a little frizzy but the other part is straight? Yeah, you don't want that. So take your time. I sped up the clips so that this video wouldn't be that long, but again, just go through the hair section by section and make sure you get every piece, especially the roots, because you want this to lay flat. Y'all, before this wig was even really done, I already knew it was going to be hit. Like, as soon as I got to flat iron this hair, I knew it was going to be a banger. Oh my goodness. Especially, oh, if you are a 4C girly and you have, oh, this would be perfect for you, because this is like, it gives silk but like not too silky. It's perfect for your textured hair. Like, you definitely need to invest in one of these. So at first I was gonna go for the bust down look, right? But then I didn't like the way my hair was sitting in the front. So I went in and decided to give it a little layers. Y'all see how long and luscious this hair is. It's so beautiful, but I did still want to layer the front. So I just took my eyebrow razor. Child, I couldn't find my scissors, so we just had to make it do what it do. So I took my eyebrow razor and gave it a few bumps in the front. And then I hit it with the curling iron, and this is what we got. Oh, look at this. I look so good. I love this hair. I love the length of this hair. It didn't shed that much. It didn't really even tangle that much. It's a very easy texture to keep up with because it's not so silky, so you don't have to wash it like 3-4 times a week or anything like that. It's just the perfect wig for the girls with the curls, okay? So again, I want to thank Wiggins for sponsoring this video. All the details on this hair will be listed in the description box down below. I love y'all so much. Thank you for rocking with me, kicking with me, skating with me, and I'll see y'all in my next one.